Hi guys, it's Ange and I'm back for a new weekend tutorial. If you're new here, thanks for dropping by. I've seen a lot of these chunky rings on Instagram and I wanted to make one of my own. Since it's almost Mother's Day, I thought of making a heart one to gift to my mom. But before I begin crafting, I want to clean my glass mat first. Now that it's clean, I will make an improvised tube that I will use to bake my rings. I got this idea from another YouTuber and I'll link her profile down below. I get this empty thread spool and wrap it in foil. Remember to try to smoothen the foil on it as much as you can. Then set this aside. Next, we'll make the heart. I roll out my light pink clay into number 1 setting. Then, I get some soft plastic and lay it on top of the clay. Next, I use my heart cutter and punch this out. As you can tell, using the plastic cover gave my cut piece rounded edges, which I wanted in this particular design. I then cut the heart in half. I roll out a darker piece of clay in the number 6 setting and punch out another heart. I also cut thin strips from the same clay. I place this thin strip between the two sides of the heart and place this on top of the punched heart. To neaten everything out, I wrap the entire heart with a thin strip of clay. And then, I set this aside. Now it's time to make the band of the ring. I roll out the dark clay into the number 2 setting. I measured the length of this around the tube, wrapped in foil, and cut out the excess clay. Then, I cut the clay down to a neat rectangle. I wrap this around the tube once more. To attach the heart to the ring, I place some liquid Sculpey at the back of the heart. This goes to the oven for baking. On the first bake, I set my oven toaster to 3 minutes because I wanted to bake the ring with the foiled tube to get a good ring shape. I have to cool this down completely before I remove the foiled tube. On the succeeding bakes, I just have the ring sit on the tray. And that is it for my chunky rings. I hope that you have fun making this. If you haven't yet, do consider liking this video and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. Thanks for watching and have a crafty weekend. Bye!